Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to handle the tooltips in web page as part of Selenium beginner tutorials. So let's get started. So we'll see what is tooltip in a web page. A tooltip in a Selenium is a text that appears when you mouse over on an object on a web page. And the object can be a link or an image or a button or a text area or many different ways. And this tooltip text often gives you the more information about the object on which user mouse over, and there is one attribute which gives you this information, which is a title attribute. So whenever you mouse over on any interactive elements or any link, button, image, you will get a text. That is because of title attribute in the web page. So we'll see in the web page, and I will show you an example using an website. So in case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Let me open Chrome browser. So here I have a Facebook page. So in this Facebook page, I will show you where we have a tooltips. So in the bottom of this page, we have the navigation links, where when you mouse over on to these links, you will see a dialog coming up, which is a tooltip coming up. So which gives extra information. Login into Facebook. Here it's only sign up, but it says sign up for Facebook. And similarly for other, take a look on the messengers. So these are the actual tooltips. So we have this test cases in some application where we need to find out the tooltips of the page. So let's jump into Eclipse and we'll define a code example. So here I have a Selenium project created. Under that I have a package here. So under that package I will create a class. In case if you are new to this tutorial, please do watch my previous tutorials on how to create a Selenium Java project in Eclipse IDE, and also Selenium Maven project in Eclipse IDE. I will share the link in the description section. So Selenium tooltip, and we need a main method. So click on this main method and click on finish. So once we finish, we will get this piece of structure. Here we need to create system set properties. For that, system dot set property. So this set property accepts a key and value. So under key we need to provide WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and value, in the value section we need to provide the exe file location and which browser we wanted to launch this case. So in my case I am using Chrome browser. I have a Chrome browser exe file. In case if you have a requirement in IE or Firefox, you can use the respective Chrome and respective exe files. And even I have prepared this tutorial, and I will share you in the description section. In case if you are new to that, you can watch that tutorials as well. And let's go to property, and then the property, let's copy this location of exe file. So we need to copy location of exe file, and in the place of value we'll paste it. And now using WebDriver instance, WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. So Chrome driver, and now we have created driver instance, and using a driver we'll try to launch a website. Driver dot get. So get method is under web drivers, so Selenium. So this web driver get method accepts the value of string. Will provide the value as a string, which is a Facebook page. Now we have let me maximize the window. For that, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Now we'll try to inspect the one of the link in the page, which is a sign up for Facebook. So let me inspect this, and here I see the sign up. So this is an anchor tag, which means we can use a link text. We can use a partial link text as well. We can use the link text. So we'll take a link text and we'll jump into Eclipse web element, and this should be an web element dot link 1 equals to driver dot find element by dot link text. Under link text we can provide this link, and now we are ready with WebDriver element and web element as well. Now we'll try to mouse over on those object. So I wanted to mouse over to that exact element, and then I will try to see if a tooltip is coming or not. So for that I will take an action class. Actions is part of Selenium interactions. You can take this actions, and with then reference called action, then new one. Okay, I think it got selected all. Okay, now actions. Under actions it will accept a driver, and then we can use this actions. So action, using action, I will say mouse pointer to move to that element. So for that we have move to and web element. So my web element is link, and I will say perform. In that case it will say just mouse over onto that exact link, and then you will see that tooltip populating. And we'll try to get this link. We'll try to get the string tooltip. So tooltip equals to dot get attribute as title. So we need to get the attribute value which is under title. So we'll execute this program. And one point to remember, when you are using the action class, during the execution don't try to move your mouse pointer. That will try to interrupt this actions class. So better you try to avoid using mouse when you are using this actions class, especially for mouse overs. So let me run this program. Now it has launched website. Now I think it has to be scrolled down. Okay, we'll use a scroll action here. So let me use one scroll event. I will use a JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor just e equal to typecast a JavaScript executor with the driver. So here I'm typecasting driver to JavaScript executor, and I will say, using JavaScript executor reference, I will say execute script, execute the script, and this script accepts some window dot scroll by, and give me the offset values. Let me give some random offsets, 1000. Yeah, now this piece of code will try to scroll down to the page. So it will scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then you can see this actions class. Okay, now let me save the program, and again I will quickly run it again. So it has launched the window, it has maximized, and it has scrolled down. I think it is not scrolling because my mouse pointer at the top. Let me try to print this. Sysout verifying tooltip. Let's provide a wait here. Let's try to provide a wait after executing the JavaScript executor, and we'll try to rerun the program again. Maybe this is because of the synchronization, the wait time. So we'll try to provide a wait here, and thread dot sleep for 1 second. Then under that, we'll try to print if there is any exception. Print stack trace here. So we'll try to again run the program. So it has launched the browser and it is opening a web URL, and here if you see, it has mouse over on the sign up, and it has giving us a tooltip message called sign up for Facebook. So this is how we can perform automation on this tooltips. And in case if I move the mouse pointer, then you will lose the contact. I mean the action which is being performed on the Selenium, you will miss that contact. So if I move the mouse, then you will not see the tooltip again. So this should be keep in aware, and we should not move the mouse pointer when we are trying to use the actions class. Okay, here you can see I'm verifying the tooltip, and which is a sign up for Facebook. So if you see here, which is a title which has a sign up for Facebook. So this is how we can verify the tooltips. One is visually. If it is not visually working, then you can take the attribute, which is a title attribute. Most of the tooltips messages lies on the title attributes only. So we can use the title attributes. So I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share your questions, queries in my comment section. Thank you for watching.